Happy Saturday, Gucci Maniacs. Welcome back. It is Saturday today. It's the 1st of November, day after Halloween. Yesterday I made a trip down to Walmart and got wave 2 of the Super Friends figurines. Now I did get 9 different code numbers. Don't know if I got 9 different figures. Don't know if any of these are ones from the last set. Who knows? Because the numbers didn't add, were kind of strange. Now I know there's a couple of Batman figures in here. There's a couple of Superman figures in here. There's a Flash, a Wonder Woman. I think there might be a Luthor. I know there's a Joker in supposed to be a Joker in the set, and there's supposed to be a Gorilla Grodd, which is the first time they did Gorilla Grodd as a mini figure instead of as a big figure. Let's tear right into these. You know what I'm gonna do? Give me 1 second. Since I don't have to be struggling, so I won't be struggling, I'm gonna use these. But these imaginext figure videos, they end up getting a ton more views than all the rest of my videos. 90% of y'all that watch these videos are not subscribed, so please subscribe. I'm trying to get up to 500 subscribers. I'm to 474, or is it 447? Anyway. Just a little over 400. If I get up to at least 500, I can start getting monetized. Now this one's kind of thick, so I'm thinking this might be Gorilla Grodd. Let's dump it out, and it is Gorilla Grodd. I was only guessing because it's kind of bulky. But there's Gorilla Grodd. He has some sort of laser cannon, it looks like. Let's see here. There's Superman, Batman, wearing a black Batman outfit, Green Lantern John Stewart, Gorilla Grodd, which we got right here, the Flash, Superman wearing a black outfit, diving Batman, Wonder Woman, and the Joker. So there's no Luthor in here. Okay. Here's the list of all the characters we're trying to get. And we got Gorilla Grodd right here. Let's see who else we got here. I'm gonna go with this one. And it's the first Superman. Now in the drawing here, this thing right here is, which is the Phantom Zone gun, I think is what that's supposed to be. It's black, but here it's the one I got is blue. So Superman in the blue outfit. So it's 2 down. see here. It took me about an hour to read each and every one of these tiny little numbers to make sure I had 9 different ones. It looks like we might have the Batman in the black outfit. And we do. There's Batman. He's got kind of a bulky outfit. There's the I really like doing these blind packs because they're a lot more fun. Let's open up this next one. There's some red in there. I'm thinking either Wonder Woman or the Flash. It's the Flash. I'm guessing the shield's supposed to be his Flashpoint shield or something. So that's 4L the set. So far, no repeats. I have a feeling this one could be. We'll find out once. Once I cut it open. Oh no, no repeats so far. Just the Green Lantern. At first I thought it was another Gorilla Grodd. Green Lantern John Stewart, he has this little thing here, I guess, so he can go out in space. That's the second version of John Stewart they've done. Well, so far, that's the entire top row. It's only 4 left, and they're the ones that were on the bottom row. Let's go ahead and get this one out of the way. And it's the scuba diving Batman. Well, they've done other scuba diving Batman figures in the past, but usually his face is covered because he's got his goggles on. This has a little suit thing where I'm guessing see if I can get it on him. Trying to figure out how to get this on him. Oh, I was putting it on backwards. I'm also shooting this pretty early in the morning, so I haven't quite woken all the way up yet, so I'm going to make a few gaffes. There we go. Let's see what this next one is. So far we're missing Superman in the black, Wonder Woman, and the Joker. And we got the Joker. Well, this Joker is basically the same Joker they've had in toy packs. He comes with a green baseball bat. A little disappointed in the Joker. It's basically the same Joker they've been doing. They didn't even change up the color scheme. But hey, I'm doing this for your entertainment, so. Next to the last one. And it's Wonder Woman with the shield. She looks like one of the other Wonder Women we've had in the past. The shield looks similar too. Might be a little bit of difference in color. I think they might have a different head sculpt on this one. But it's Wonder Woman. Now, if reading the different code numbers are correct, this last one should be Batman in the, no, it should be Superman in the blue. If I did this correctly. And it is the Superman in the black. Yes, this might be a more evil Superman because he's got the kryptonite cuffs that go around his neck and his wrist. It goes around his waist. Yeah, that's how it goes. Okay. So, we managed to get the whole set. That's a surprise. Well, not really, but I figured if I read the different little codes on the bottom of the packets, I would end up getting the whole set. The only place I've seen these at has been Walmart. Here's a little closer look for you. So thanks for watching. Always be good to each other. See you next time.